take off my red cap on the top of this. I'm gonna do a little exam right here. Check first. I haven't squeezed anything out yet. But then, however, when you feel scratchy, you're always going to squeeze just that much. Where I'm at in the right there. It's not much. Little go a long way. Yes, every time a lot of, I think. Thank you so much, Lulu. Thank you, Mika. Yeah, so if I give up, then I say, oh my gosh, the nail is broken. And if you're doing your clients, then they are gonna be really disappointed. They're like, oh my gosh, you can't even do a set of nails. No, I'm gonna finish it and you're gonna love it. Here for 60 seconds. So I sealed all of the completely precision glue gels on the top of the beads and the frame to prevent from all tarnish. You know, we wash our hands a lot, hand sanitize, and a lot of like soaps. So when you wash it, you want to make sure that this is your beads and your frame is completely covered, sealed. And then I'm gonna go into edges of the crystals and do a little exam. Check. You feel scratchy, you're gonna squeeze right here. Scratchy, you're gonna squeeze just that much. Little go a long way. And here for 60 seconds. Do not cover on the top of the crystal. You can see if I turn it this way, you can see that how sparkle it is. If you are coating on the top, you're gonna destroy yours crystal. So try not to. And then I'm moving into the next one. This one already. Here, this one again. That's a good idea. Me, I remember there's a lot of experience that when I have frustrated like that, guess what? If either the client's gonna be frustrated or me frustrated, the client's frustrated, send the clients home with the phone pay first and then come back see me in this time, you know? And you can continue doing a beautiful work. However, it's really, don't lose this red cap. Oh, it's really nice. I'll wipe it off. How beautiful it is. Do we have 3 nails today? You want to see all 3 nails? Looks beautiful, huh? I like this design though. You know what? You know that you can create it so many different colors using is glow in the dark crystal kits and the AB. You come